Hello, my name is Paul Jandro, and I am the math instructor here at Texas State Technical College in Marshall, Texas. This semester, I will be teaching online college algebra, which is Math 1312. In this class, we will be doing several things like solving equations. We will solve second-degree equations, which are quadratics equations using the quadratic formula, factoring method, and completing the square method. We will also be solving third, fourth, and fifth degree polynomial equations using synthetic division and the graphing calculator. In addition, we will also be solving exponential and logarithmic equations, mostly by hand. And we will also be solving second and third order systems of equations using matrices, again on the graphing calculator. Okay, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I began as an aerospace engineer for Rockwell International back in the 80s. In the 90s, I ended up getting out of the aerospace field and went into teaching. I taught in California for several years at multiple universities and colleges. I also taught for 2 years in Kansas at Garden City Community College. After that, I moved into Texas, where I've been teaching at many institutions here in Texas. I will be teaching this course online. That said, now I realize many of you are going to come in with different levels of mathematic ability, which is perfectly fine. And I am more than willing to work with all of you. In fact, I encourage you to come in and get help, okay, or ask questions, because that is essential in this class. Please, feel free to ask any and all questions you want. There is no such thing as a dumb question in this class. The questions that you need to answer are the ones I'm here to answer. To that end, I would also recommend that you form study groups with your peers, because they will be probably much more easier to contact than I will sometimes. Now, I teach classes a couple days a week. On the weekends, I'm very less available than on the weekdays. So, and your friends will probably be much more willing to call and I'll contact you in the evening as well if that's when you're going to be working on your problem. So, don't get me wrong, I'll help you in as much as I can, but I am a busy guy. So, feel free to come in and enjoy my class. I hope to see you soon.